Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. I'm not sure why that clock is upside down, but let's take a look at this Zippo. It just came in. Okay, so we got the regular Zippo black box, and on this one it says Skull Cherries. Of course, it's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. In the USA. Okay, there's a first look at the Skull Cherries. It's on a white matte finished case, and this one was made in F of 17, so I believe that was June, about a year ago, of 17. Good sound, steel insert. Those are the Skull Cherries. Quite a novel idea. Let's do a drop test on these cherries. A lit drop test. Alright, the lit drop test was passed nicely and didn't burn the place down. Those are the Skull Cherries. Pretty nice little Zippo. Real good sound. And I think we'll give a little cowbell for the Zippos that are made in the USA. And knuckle bump.